Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I just feel so confident and put together when I wear this Emporio Armani Eau de Parfum. It has such a sophisticated, warm scent to it, and the layers of scents are so beautiful. Some of the scents include tonka, cedarwood, and musk as the base notes, heliotrope and jasmine for the middle notes, and bergamot and pear as top notes. And they combine to create what I would consider to be just a warm, exquisite scent. And I love the sleek look of the bottle along with the mechanism to spray the perfume. It makes it super easy to be portable. I thoroughly enjoy wearing this Emporio Armani Eau de Parfum. And that's my point of view.